Welcome back. MLA Subhas Desai has cleared that he has nothing to do with the Kavre anti-mining agitation and attack on Ravindra Velip in Sada jail. MLA says he had no influence over court nor over police. Meanwhile, Ravindra Velip has lodged a criminal complaint with DGP and Marmugao police. Goa Foundation says it will approach the Goa Human Rights Commission if the concerned authorities fail to take action against the guilty.
रवींद्र वेळीप आणि ताचे काही 7-8 जण साथीदार म्हाका पेपरांतल्यान कळून आयला त्या प्रमाणे पयले दिसाक अटक जाले. अटक पोलीस स्टेशना पुरतीच थी बेल आउट जाले. ताच्या नंतर वाहतूक दुसरे दिसाक कॉमेस जाली. परत तेच रवींद्र वेळीप आणि ताचे साथीदार परत एक फावटी थी मायनिंग ब्लॉक केली आणि ताच्या नंतर तांकां अरेस्ट केले. म्हाका कळटा त्या प्रमाणे अरेस्ट केले नंतर तांकां बेल आउट करपा खातीर रिक्वेस्ट केलो तेन्ना ताणें बेल दिवपाक न्हयकार दिलो आणि त्यामुळे न्यायाधीशान तांची रवानगी सडा जेलीन केली. सडा जेली भितर ताचेर अटॅक जाता तातूंत म्हजो संदर्भ कसो येता हें म्हाका कांय कळना की 2-3 गजाली आमदाराचें नांव येवपाचें कारणच ना. तें म्हणजे हांव तुका आडावपाक वचपाक हांवें सांगलें ना. दुसरें म्हणल्यार आडायले तेन्ना पोलिसांकय म्हजे कडेन संपर्क ना. आतां हें सगळें मॅनेज केलें, पोलिसांक धरून भितर उडयलें, बरें आसा तुमी म्हजें नांव घेतात. ताच्या नंतर कोर्टाक बेल दिनाका म्हणून सांगपाक हांव तुका ना. कोर्टान भितर न्यायाधीशाक हांव इन्फ्लुएन्स करपाक शकना की ताका सडा ज्युडिशियल कस्टडीक धाड म्हणून सांगपाचो म्हजो अधिकार न्ही आनी ताचेर म्हजें इन्फ्लुएन्स जायना. सडा जेली भितर तूं बेल एक्सेप्ट करना, जेलीन तूं मुद्दाम जावन रावता.
Kavre local Ravindra Velip, who was attacked in Sada jail, has lodged a criminal complaint with DGP and Marmugao police. Denouncing the attack on Ravindra Velip, Goa Foundation has said that they will approach the Goa Human Rights Commission if the authorities fail to take action against guilty. Meanwhile, Inspector of Prisons Elvis Gomes has initiated inquiry into the incident. Savio Dias and Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
Christian brethren all over the world observe Good Friday. The day commemorating the anniversary of Christ's crucifixion and death is being observed by Christians across the state. The Holy Week, which ends on Saturday, is traditionally a time of fasting and penance. The faithful were seen thronging churches throughout Goa to attend the Good Friday services.
ते वाटेच्या आदारान आमचे मन बदलूंक आमकां तुज्या पवित्र आत्म्यान बोर आनी ताणें हाडलेली सोडवणीची बरी खबर स्वत मानूंक आमकां पुर्ती कर. आज बोबाटी मारून कुर्सार मारूंक व्हरतल्या लोकां मदल्यान अशीर मनाच्या फारिजीवां आनी धर्मशास्त्र्यां मदल्यान आनी निवळ काळजाच्या रुमकार शिपायां मदल्यान चलून फुडें सरूंक आमकां बळ आनी काळजीदारपण दी. तेच क्रिस्तां आमच्या सुमया वरवीं. आमीन.
तुझ्या खांदार शेवटी धाव. आदी कुरीस खाता तुझ्या खांदार शेवटी धाव.
Institute of Hotel Management is in news once again. Locals claim that some of the students of IHM College damaged the newly installed water fountain in Porvorim. On Thursday, the students played Holi in the fountain and damaged the installations like lights and other items. Porvorim police has filed FIR against the unknown. However, college authorities have opted to be mum.
This is the state of the newly installed water fountain in Porvorim. Locals claim that it has been damaged by the students of Institute of Hotel Management. Porvorim MLA Rohan County along with the locals of Sukur visited the fountain site. A complaint has been filed at the Porvorim police station.
The boys from IHM who are hostelites, who have no sense of community living, they have been creating nuisance from day one on this particular area. They have been trying to play mischief with this. आणि भुरगे म्हणून आम्ही अजून पण उगी राविल्ले. होळीच्या दिसा काल तांणी बसून अक्षरशः चोऱ्यो केल्या, मोडून उडयला आणि सगळं फाउंटन भितरलो they have actually broken it up. When one of our boys have told him what it is, they have actually shooed him away की आम्ही जाय ते करतले तुम्ही जाय ते करात. हे सगळे भायले भुरगे. आता I feel that IHM, the warden and the rest of them are trying to protect them for reasons best known to them itself. The security has admitted that they were the people who have come and done this. हे आता कळटलं न्ही. Once we are done with this, once it's cleaned up, the estimation कळटलो कितें चोऱ्यो जाल्या आणि कितें गेला. The lights which are there are not there. The changing lights. The nozzles have been gone. The nozzles have gone. The other parts important have been taken out. The water pipelines have been moved out. So हे आता दिश्टी पडटा visibly. Ekadi, once the whole thing is drained out, we'll know exactly what is the estimate.
ते भुरगे येवन म्हाका दिसता केटरिंगाचे येवन सगळे ते हांगा उदकान खेळून ते सगळे म्हाका दिसता पाईप आनी नळाचे ते व्हॅल्युएबल थिंग्स ते सगळे भितर आशिल्ले ते सगळे तोडफोड केला हे केला आनी कोणी आमच्या एकट्या भुरग्यान सांगले तांकां की अशें हे करूं नाका पूण तांकांय तेंच्यांनी तापयले आनी धांवडावन घातले. सो आतां आमी कंप्लेन दिल्ली आसा पुलिसान येवन हे सगळें इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन केल्लें आसा.
The exact loss is not known. We spoke with the secretary of the college. He seems confused over the whole episode.
इधर तक खेला, उसके बाद वो अंदर मुंह में क्या क्या लगाया था. मैं तो नया भी हूँ ना, मैं पहचानता भी नहीं हूँ.
तुम्हारा कॉलेज का स्टूडेंट ऐसा लग रहा है बोल रहे.
ना ना, ये बाहर के था, इधर से बाहर के भाग के आया था. तो वो अंदर घुसने के लिए किया, फिर मैं इधर अंदर का वो लोग हमारे स्टूडेंट लोग अंदर चले गया. तो बाहर के लोग फिर इधर आया था. इधर
तुम्हारा स्टूडेंट भी था क्या अंदर खेलने के टाइम?
ना ना, वो देखा, मैं पहचानता भी नहीं सर. इधर मुंह में लगा था.
We contacted the IHM management, but they refused to comment. Shirish Kunklekar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.